Up next and looking awesome is this 2014 FLHX. It's a street glide. Most popular touring model that we rent and that we sell because these guys are so versatile and offer such great handling. Check the miles. Under 23,000 miles on a 3-year-old bike. Not bad. Previous owner took great care of it, as did Jamie in our detail department. It's a 14, so it's the first year of Project Rushmore, so we're talking 103-inch motor, 6-speed transmission, great electronics, superior styling, and it looks like this. In black denim, non-reflective. Makes the chrome really pop out, doesn't it? Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and test ride this denim black beauty today.